I'll be using another yarn color for demonstrating purposes as it shows up well in camera. For row 1, create a slip knot. Then chain 6. You'll end up with 7 chains. For row 2, create 1 single crochet from the second chain from hook. Continue with 4 single crochets. A triple increase, four single crochets, increase in the last stitch. You'll end with 14 stitches. For row 3, create 2 single crochets and increase on the third stitch. Repeat this sequence for 3 more times. One single crochet on the remaining 2 stitches. You'll end with 18 stitches. For row 4, create 1 single crochet around. You'll have 18 stitches. For row 5, create 2 single crochets followed by an increase on the third stitch. You'll end up with 24 stitches. For rows 6 through 7, create 1 single crochet all around. You'll still end with 24 stitches each row. For row 8, create 3 single crochets and then a decrease. Repeat the sequence 3 more times. One single crochet in the last 4 stitches. You'll end with 20 stitches. For row 9, create 2 single crochets and then a decrease. Repeat this sequence around. You'll have 15 stitches. Place the eyes between rows 3 and 4, 3 stitches apart.
Sew in the horizontal part between rows 3 and 4. It should be on the posts 1 stitch apart. The horizontal line is half a stitch away. While the upside down V is also half a diagonal stitch away. For the right top whisker, exit the needle 1 row away from the right eye. Sew back in half a stitch diagonally away. The bottom right whisker exits at half a stitch below the top one. End at 1 stitch away. Repeat the same for the left whiskers. Secure the end of the thread with the French knot.
For row 10, create 1 single crochet followed by a decrease. Repeat this sequence around. You'll have 10 stitches. Finish off with the long yarn tail. Thread the yarn tail into your large needle and sew on the front stitches only. Tighten to close the hole. Now, using the same yarn tail, sew in an exit at the top of the head. Then bring the needle back down. Tug gently to shape the ears. Knot the two tails to secure and hide the excess yarn. Secure 1 meter of yarn before creating a slip knot. Using the tail, do a backwards yarn over. Using the regular yarn, forward yarn over. Then pull through both loops. Repeat again 5 more times. Finish off with a similar length tail. Thread the left and right tails separately. Once the third cat is threaded, create a loose knot. Place your hook into the knot before tightening. Create as many chains as you can with each tail, leaving 3 to 5 centimeters allowance. Create an overhand knot.
Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you found this video helpful and would like to support my work, you can visit my Ko-fi page or store. I truly appreciate it. See you in the next video.